Hello my lovely friends, it's Eva here from Permaculture Haven. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about the longevity spinach. And it's got many uses and I really want to point them out today to you. So growing longevity spinach, you are growing and having abundance of food and abundance of biomass. So you can eat it, you can feed your animals, you can enrich your soil. So it's not only evergreen, beautiful variety of spinach, which grows like crazy in our climate. You can see here, it grows like a ground cover. It will climb up the fences. I'm cutting all the overgrowth and using it as a mulch. Why would you want to buy a mulch when you have a plant which grows so quickly that you can have your own high quality mulch here at home, and you know where it's coming from, you know you didn't spray it, you know it's super healthy for the soil, for the plant and for you. So like here, it will decompose very quickly, it will enrich the soil, so high in nitrogen as well, very good for all your garden beds, and also to protect the soil. I'm also cutting the overgrowth and adding it into my worm farm. The worms love it. The leaves and the stalks are pretty soft, so the worms are turning it very quickly into highly nutritious natural fertilizer, the worm casting, compost and the worm juice. Also adding it into the compost, the decomposing process happens very quickly as well because of the soft stalks. The other way I'm using it is to cut the new growth or the overgrowth which goes everywhere, cut it all off and do a highly nutritious liquid fertilizer. I show you. So filling the bucket up to the top with the leaves and the stalks, then water up to the top, lid on, and you've got, within 3 weeks, I've got beautiful liquid fertilizer which I can use. I can dilute 1:4 and use it in all my garden beds with the fresh growth, and yeah, to enrich the soil and to feed the soil to ensure happy and healthy growth. I made a separate video about the liquid fertilizer as well, if you want to check the other videos. I'm selling this plant on my website, in my online shop at permaculturehaven.com, and it works that way that if you order a plant, I'm not keeping it in pots because it grows very quickly, but I will be making a very fresh new plant especially for you. Wait until it establishes, and this will be about 2 weeks, and we'll send it to you via post, and that way you will be having a beautiful freshly new plant, however very well established, so you can plant it straight away and enjoy the growth and the plant. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button, the bell, so you get notified when I'm uploading the next video. And if you don't want to miss any new plants or maybe seeds which I'm adding into my website, don't forget to subscribe into my newsletter on the website, and also checking from time to time, or consider joining the discussion board also at permaculturehaven.com. So yeah, I'm wishing you all the best with all your projects, and hopefully see you next time here. Bye bye.